Okay, I had this coming from Cartwright. Happy birthday to me. Check and see what they got. Boom. I like that. Privacy never looks so good. Let's see what's in this box right here. Oh, look at that box. I like this. This is nice. Got a little tie here. I'll have some nice things for y'all. I'll check this out, what they sent me. Get a nice look. Boom, check that out. So let's see what we got in the bag right here. Look at this. Boom. Got the instructions. Got the nice bag. Look at that. Classy. Real classy. Y'all know I like to keep it classy. Turn Gentlement over here. And look at that nice bag. Yes. Be on the lookout. Major things coming from Cartwright.